I'm not asking if Umar Khalid is guilty or innocent. I'm not asking that. Let the court decide. That is something that the court will decide. But the question which is actually very important here is, what was Umar Khalid doing in jail for the last 6 years without a trial? Umar Khalid was arrested in September 2020 in the larger conspiracy case relating to the Delhi riots. He has been charged under the Stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, or UAPA. The prosecution alleges that he played a central role in the conspiracy. Khalid denies these allegations. In January this year, the Supreme Court refused him bail. The court held that the material against him crossed the threshold required under the UAPA. But then something important happened. In May, another Supreme Court bench expressed serious reservations about that reasoning. The bench referred questions concerning UAPA bail and prolonged incarceration to a larger bench. The court also reiterated the constitutional importance of liberty and the principle that bail is ordinarily the rule, not the exception. And now, in July, the Delhi High Court has issued notice to Khalid's third bail plea. So what exactly is the question here? This is not about liking Umar Khalid. It is not about agreeing with his politics. It is certainly not about declaring him innocent. It is about the basic principle of criminal justice. An accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Prison before conviction is meant to be an exception, not substitute for a trial. If evidence is strong enough to justify continued custody, then let the trial establish that. And if the trial is going to take years, then the court must seriously examine whether prolonged incarceration without conviction remains constitutionally justified. At the same time, there is another important point that cannot simply be ignored. UAPA is a special law. The courts cannot simply ignore the statutory restrictions on bail merely because a trial is delayed. The allegation against Khalid is serious, and those allegations must be tested judicially. So I am not saying Umar Khalid should be declared innocent. I am asking something much simpler. After nearly 6 years in prison without a trial, keeping an accused behind bars, does it serve justice? Or is the delay the punishment itself? The question is relevant. The question is relevant no matter which side of the political divide you belong to.